That would have been awful if I had to just continuously apologize to people. Are you tired? You look a little tired. So far, so good. I was supposed to leave today for my flight to Chicago, but when I woke up this morning, I got an email saying that the flight was canceled. I've been on the phone with Spirit all morning trying to figure out the best course of action for me to take, and now I'm rebooked for tomorrow, bright and early at 5 a.m. Oh joy. When I called and spoke with the gate agent to figure out why the flight was canceled, I was told that the plane did not pass its maintenance check. So I suppose that's a good thing that I'm not boarding a bad flight, or a damaged plane or whatever. I don't really know the details, but that just sort of changed my plans a little bit. But fortunately, I didn't have anything going on that I was going to miss. So I guess this is okay. The whole reason I booked the time that I did was because I was just trying to avoid taking a red eye or an early morning flight. And hilariously, that's what's going to end up happening anyway. Just something to note if you ever take Spirit. This kind of stuff happens a lot with this particular airline. But hopefully tomorrow goes well. So we'll see what happens in the morning. Just dropped off my luggage and checked in, and now I'm headed to the gate. So far, so good. TSA pre-check. When you're in Las Vegas, even the airports have slot machines.
Unattended baggage reported immediately using any white curtain.
So the underseat storage space where you can normally stash your backpacks or whatever, that's where you're supposed to put the carrier. Unfortunately, I think Spirit's planes, the seats, it's kind of lower than other flights I've been on. So I had to squish Tyson's carrier down a little bit. Hopefully it turns out fine, and luckily he's really small. It's just, now I've got no foot space really. Just something to consider if you were to bring a pet on board the Spirit line. Okay, we made it. Got our bags, got out totally fine. The flight wasn't that bad, actually. I thought it would be so much worse. I mean, it's still like uncomfortable. The seats are really small and stuff, but we landed much earlier than I expected, and now I'm just kind of waiting for my friend to come pick me up. In the meantime, we're waiting outside in the cool fall weather. I felt like the plane was so high. Yeah, I was like sweating really bad, so I'm just sort of waiting outside for a minute just to kind of cool down a bit. And then, of course, letting Tyson kind of walk around. He slept through the whole flight. He actually did really good. I had given him something to help him like relax and fall asleep, and he was quiet throughout the whole flight, thank goodness, because that would have been awful if I had to just continuously apologize to people. Tyson. Hi, baby. Hi. Are you a little nervous? Huh? Are you a little nervous right now? Poor baby. Are you tired? You look a little tired. Come on, Tyson. Come on. Our ride is here. Which way does she go? There she is. Come on, Tyson. Come on, Tyson. Come on. Yay! Yay! I landed in Chicago and my friend just picked me up. Right now we're just stopped at Target. She has to go pick something up, but I'm just waiting in the car. Tyson has been so wonderfully quiet this whole time. Like I said earlier, I gave him a little something to help him like relax and sleep during the whole flight, and I think he's like still a little loopy from that, so he's just been like very nice and quiet, which makes it easier for me. When we were at the airport and once I like collected my bag and everything, I decided to let him out and just kind of wander around to stretch his legs and let him outside. And I think he was just sort of like a little nervous at the airport, and he was just being a little bit needier than normal. And also it's like cold here, like back in Vegas. I think we left, it was like 70 some degrees, and right now in Chicago today, it's like 40 degrees, I think. And so I think he's also just like not used to the cold weather. Meanwhile, I love the cold weather. I've just been like too hot lately. So to me, I'm like, this feels so refreshing. Anywho, I'm really excited to be back here in Chicago. I've got a few fun things planned, and I can't wait to share those adventures with you. I think I'll end the video right here though. So I hope today's video helped you guys, especially if you ever plan on traveling with a pet on board in cabin or something. And maybe these tips and tricks will let you know what it's like specifically to fly with a pet on Spirit Airlines. It was overall pretty okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.